Dealing with hair loss can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Meet the iRESTORE professional, the best way to grow back your hair thicker, healthier, and stronger the drug-free way. So whether you're suffering from hair thinning, balding, or a receding hairline, iRESTORE can help you turn back the clock. The professional is next level. It uses iRESTORE's Lumitech technology, which combines medical-grade lasers and LEDs to reverse hair thinning. So the lasers are like tiny flashlights that reach deep to dormant hairs, while the LEDs reach the entire scalp. Here we have the professional with an astounding 282 lasers and LEDs. Next, we have the power adapter, a hands-free controller, and last but not least, a user-friendly manual. So notice the sleek hands-free controller with an intuitive display. So all you do is just connect here and you're all set. But don't forget about the portable battery for ultimate mobility. Simply wear it for 25 minutes every other day. And these cushions are so soft and comfortable. Notice the patented design allows for all-around coverage on the hairline, temples, and the back of the crown to ensure optimal scalp coverage and results. And just as any workout plan needs more than just exercise, your hair care routine requires nutrition, care, and regular stimulation. Consistent use is critical to maintaining results and sustaining hair growth. And just like that, your session is complete. Not sure if this is right for you? Well, take the quiz today. With the 12-month guarantee, what do you have to lose?